Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening display settings right away. This is where the system reports current resolution and scale. Once there, identify the active monitor and orientation so you change the correct screen. Next, note the current numeric values like 1920 x 1080 and 100% scale. That gives you a fallback. Make sure you have admin access and recent updates, because some custom resolutions and driver changes require elevated permissions and updated system files. You now change resolution and scale to match your goals, sharper text or larger UI. Choose the monitor's native resolution for clarity or a lower resolution for larger elements. Then set scale to 100% or 125% to adjust perceived size. If elements look blurry, use the graphics driver control panel to create a custom mode or enable integer scaling. Once done, click Apply and use the 15-second confirmation to preview. If something looks off, Windows will revert automatically. You finish by applying and confirming the new settings, then reboot if the system requests it to finalize driver changes. After restart, run clear type tuning and verify critical apps scale properly. Some older programs need manual DPI overrides. Make sure to save your original values so you can revert quickly. If the screen goes blank or shows artifacts, uninstall the recent driver or boot to safe mode and use the device manager to roll back. That single troubleshooting step often recovers a broken display configuration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.